My name is Afia, class 4th and section B. This is my English reading dictionary video. Beautiful, pretty, lovely. Pleasure, enjoyment, cheerness. Ugly, nasty. Surprised, goodness. Suddenly, all at once. Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Yuthika Gautam from class 7th A, and today I am going to do Linguistic Club activity Dictionary Difficult Words Reading. So, ma'am, this is my dictionary in which I have written 10 words with their meanings. So, ma'am, let's read the words and learn their meanings. First word is violence, meaning behavior which harms. Second word is horoscopes, meaning future. Third word is penalized, meaning to punish somebody for breaking the law. Fourth word is bruised, meaning harm. Fifth word is halted, meaning stop. Sixth word is amidst, meaning middle of or during. Seventh word is hastily, meaning quickly. Eighth word is startled, meaning shocked. Ninth word is nasty, meaning very bad or unpleasant. Now my last and 10th word is promptly, meaning immediately. Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Akshita Singh from class 4th A, and this is my Linguistic Club activity dictionary video. Difficult word. First, admirable, excellent. Second, ancestor, forefather. Third, boon, advantage. Fourth, crisis, danger. Fifth, intended, intentional. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Aryan Rana from class 5th B. This is my English reading dictionary video. Intention: an aim or plan. Assured, confident, prosperous, rich and successful. Result: enormous, merchant, businessman. Thank you.
Afternoon, ma'am. My name is Divyanshi Singh. I am in class 4th. Today I am going to tell you about Linguistic Club Activity Dictionary. Difficult words appeared visible around in every direction. Bothered, to worry. Greedy, desirous. Age, to sharpen. Trust, believe, certainly, sure. Thank you.
No, ma'am, I'm Raman Pal of class 7B. Today I'm doing the linguist group activity dictionary. Prosperous, rich and successful. Merchant, operator of a retail business. Native, an original or indigenous inhabitant. Pawn, something used as a pest. Forlorn, lonely and unworthy. Inherited, to receive a quality. Assured, deficient. Weak, eventual. Intention, an aim or plan. Boulder, stair. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello ma'am, my name is Yash Floria from class 7B, and ma'am, today I will do Linguistic Club activity Difficult words with their meaning. Merchant, businessman, vast, enormous, enchanting, delightfully, delinquent, culprit, ponderous, heavy, relentless, cruel, viscous, sticky, human, farmer, circumscribe, boundary, itinerant, wandering. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Mr. Indra from class 7B, and this is my Linguistic Club activity. Linguistic Club activity dictionary. First, prosperous, meaning rich and successful. Second, native, meaning person born in specific place. Third, merchant, meaning trader who sells goods in large quantities. Fourth, pawn, meaning something deposited with another as security for a loan. Fifth, forlorn, meaning sad and alone. Sixth, assured, meaning confident. Seventh, beautiful, meaning pretty. Eighth, wicked, meaning evil or morally wrong. Ninth, woeful, meaning sorrowful. 10th, boulder, meaning warm rounded stone. Thank you, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. I am Mohammad Ayan of class 7th A. So let's start activity. Linguistic club activity. Dictionary. Difficult words. Feelings, something that you feel. Greedy, waiting food, money, etc. than you need. Precious, of great value. Admirable, excellent. Boon, advantage.
Linguistic club activity. My name is Simran Kumari, class 7, section A, roll number 32, activity dictionary. Dictionary, bothered, worried about something. Native, where you have always lived. Pawn, a person who is controlled by the other more powerful people. Assured, believing that you can do something. Boulder, a very large rock. Retorted, reply quickly. Readily, easily with comfort. Prosperous, rich and successful. Woeful, characterized by something. Dictionary. Priest, a person who performs religious ceremonies. Devotees, a person who likes something. Horoscopes, a statement about what is going to happen in future. Elements, one important part of something. Fierce, aggressive. Patronge, support given to a person. Captured, to take a person. Appears, to seem. Troubled.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Sagar Singh from class 4th B and this is my linguist club activity. Dictionary. Difficult words. First, peculiar, strange. Second, halt, stop. Third, ancestor, forebear. Fourth, boon, profit. Fifth, businessman, merchant. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Dakshit Dhabi from class 6B. Today I'm making this English dictionary and telling about some 10 words in dictionary. So start. Heart, the group of animal. Second, bad, and the meaning of bad is evil. Third is always, and the meaning of always is forever. Clean, and the meaning of clean is neat. Create, and the meaning of create is build. Sixth, cool, and the meaning of cool is chilled. Seventh, beautiful, and the meaning of beautiful is pretty. Eighth, brave, and the meaning of brave is valuable. Ninth is foolish, and the meaning of foolish is stupid. 10th, give, and the meaning of give is contribute. So thank you, ma'am.